Hi there, you're watching Fish Finally, where we aim to bring you up to date on the latest and best in the world of fishing. From essentials like fish finders, fishing rods and reels, to accessories like fishing gloves or backpacks, we have something for everyone. We test them in real life so you know what they're like even before buying them. For a fishing enthusiast looking for helpful buying guides, nothing could be better than Fish Finally.
Travel fishing rods are easy to pack for a trip, and the good ones fish like a one-piece rod. Over the past several decades, rods have gotten longer because more length typically equals better casts and more leverage on big fish. Our guide video on the 6 best travel spinning rod has all the choices you could hope for. We've included quite a few types of travel spinning rod, so pay attention and pick the one best suited for your needs. If you are using any of the travel spinning rods, then what is your opinion on it? Let me know in the comments.
Next up on our list is something you should really give a shot. It has really attractive features and great value for the money.
Number 6. EOW Travel Spinning Rod. If you're looking for the best travel spinning rod to add to your tackle collection, look no further. This EOW travel spinning rod has exceptional features. It has a free case which is made of PVC tube inside to protect the rod well. It also has embroidery on the surface of Oxford fabric. The zipper is durable and smooth. The length of the belt is around 39 inches by 51 inches. The inner diameter of the case is around 2.75 inches. This travel spinning rod has a stainless steel guide with a super smooth ceramic ring inside that makes heat dissipation better. The line can be released smoothly by a sloped frame. These guides also avoid line sticking in the guides and minimize friction while also enhancing sensitivity. The reel seats of this rod are made of high-quality ABS material which is reinforced by carved alloy nuts. They are high strength and durable for stable performance. The handle of this travel spinning rod is made of EVA material, which has high toughness, good shockproof, and cushioning properties. Number 5. Piscifun Travel Spinning Rod. Do you need the best travel spinning rod for your ordinary use? The Piscifun Travel Spinning Rod is perhaps the most ideal decision for you. It makes certain to carry a grin to your face. This travel spinning rod is made of high-strength 30T carbon, which not only ensures the overall strength, sensitivity, and accuracy but also provides a lighter weight fishing rod. It comes with a spigot connection design and sophisticated carbon cloth craftsmanship, making the energy transfer of the rod to be more evenly distributed throughout the rod. The oxidized coating guide matched up with the stainless steel bracket can minimize the friction between the guide and the fishing line and guarantee every smooth casting. This 4-pieces travel spinning rod comes up with a protective hard case, which can be easily tied on the backpack or carried in the trunk and protect the rods from the damage of impact. It is also equipped with the high-strength graphite reel seat and a high-density EVA handle, which is more durable and provides a more comfortable grip.
Let's start the ball rolling with the best budget option that will not skimp on any desired features.
Number 4. Fiblink Travel Spinning Rod. The travel spinning rod by Fiblink delivers the extraordinary toughness of solid carbon fiber construction and precisely tuned action. It is lightweight with tremendous overall strength, though strong solid carbon fiber construction maximizes strength while maintaining sensitivity. This travel spinning rod features 7+1 guides with stainless steel frames and ceramic inserts. It also has stainless steel mixed with a ceramic guide, making it smooth. This 4-piece design and durable rod protect bag make it easy to carry. It is also great for carrying out and having a fishing trip. It also has a multi-purpose hook holder and effective hook keeper. The travel spinning rod offers an enhanced reel seat with corrosion-resistant stainless steel hoods. It also includes a non-slip high-density cork handle and foregrip. Its durable cork grips offer lightweight and all-day comfort. Number 3. Berrypro Ultralight Travel Spinning Rod. If you are looking for the best travel spinning rod, then look no further than the Berrypro Ultralight Travel Spinning Rod. It is one of the best travel spinning rods on the market. This travel spinning rod is constructed with a solid carbon tip section and 36-ton X-carbon technology blanks, which gives the rods incredible sensitivity and lightweight. It is perfect for crappie, trout, panfish, smallmouth bass, largemouth bass, and many other freshwater species. It is also perfect for ultralight or finesse fishing techniques. This travel spinning rod features an enhanced stainless steel fishing guide with a ceramic ring that makes it more smooth. The guides are precisely aligned along the bottom of the spine of the blank, so when making a cast, the sensitivity will be transferred from the line to the rod and then to your hand perfectly. This rod also uses a split reel seat with a carbon fiber tube insert to make it comfortable to hold while reducing weight. It also has a comfortable and high-density EVA that perfectly wraps the handle and split fighting butt, providing perfect balance and comfort.
Before we get to the best of the bunch, let's look at the runner-up for today's video.
Number 2. Goture Travel Spinning Rod. Are you searching for the best travel spinning rod for your ordinary use? The Goture Travel Spinning Rod is perhaps the most ideal decision for you. This travel spinning rod makes certain to carry a grin to your face. It is designed with a 30-ton carbon matrix. It achieves the best balance among rod sensitivity, strength, and power. The rod has 7+1 corrosion-resistant guides with ceramic inserts. It is perfectly spaced for virtually friction-free line flow and maximum casting performance. This travel spinning rod comes with a durable reel seat that is made of high-quality ABS material. It also has EVA split grips to provide all-day comfort. This 4-piece rod design makes it easy to carry, either for air traveling or backpacking. Additionally, the rod is very lightweight and also feels well balanced in your hand.
From performance to price, from design to durability, the last product on our list is the best out of all we've reviewed.
Number 1. KastKing Blackhawk 2 Travel Spinning Rod. The Blackhawk 2 Travel Spinning Rod is available in 14 lengths and actions in travel spinning rod and casting rod models. You'll find the perfect spinning fishing rod or bait casting rod for almost any fresh or saltwater fishing situation, whether you're trout fishing, bass fishing, kayak fishing, or even as an inshore fishing rod for saltwater fishing from the bank or boat. This travel spinning rod comes with a 24-ton carbon matrix blank and solid glass tip section, which deliver unmatched durability, sensitivity, and performance. The one-piece performance comes in a 6-piece telescopic rod design. It has multiple floating line guides for improving casting performance. The snug-fit ferrules provide a full-length power transition. It also features high-quality components including stainless steel line guides, graphite reel seats, and comfortable EVA handles. They are used in the construction of the new and improved KastKing Blackhawk 2 Travel Spinning Rod. It makes a great travel fishing pole or backup telescopic fishing pole. That's it for today. If you like our video, then a sub will be excellent. Here are the top 6 travel spinning rods on the market for you. Hope you found what you are looking for. So don't forget to leave a comment and don't forget to like and subscribe.